Ibas, ibas, Roniga aniga na ibas. Ibas, Kubada aniga na ibas.
Southampton have hit the reset button. The club have installed a fourth new manager in 2.5 years. Ralph Hasenhüttl is charged with overhauling the failing system at St Mary's. The Austrian stats are encouraging. He's a developer with a proven record in German football. It's time now to launch the updated version of Southampton.
For us, it's important that we should become a team that is not easy to play against. In the last time it was too easy how we gave the goals away, and that's all about invest a lot, and if you invest a lot then you can deserve maybe more wins like we did it until now. In this point I see also a chance to make a surprise for everyone.
I think Hasenhüttl is fun. I think that's the biggest thing. He likes the game to be played the right way. He's not going to sit back and defend. He's going to go and attack. So it's going to make some exciting games. He's called the Alpine Klopp for a reason. High press, counter press. As soon as they lose the ball, his RB Leipzig teams would press. For example, if they're losing it on the left-hand side, they'll be looking to flood that zone. So the formation would come really narrow. But it was all about creating that sort of narrow block to go and win the ball back. Hasenhüttl very much is, win the ball, we're going to go and create a chance on goal. His Ingolstadt team was renowned for playing long and then counter-pressing, so using a long pass to put the opponents under pressure and then press them high up the pitch. The aim now is to play those direct flat passes to either one of the centre-forwards' feet or one of the attacking midfielders, always on the diagonal, so you're opening up the pitch. Hasenhüttl's teams are direct, but they do play with very good football in the final third. Southampton against Cardiff played a three-man midfield, similar to Hasenhüttl's approach at Ingolstadt. What I'd like to see maybe going forward is play two strikers. Shane Long has always been a good worker in the Premier League, that's why he's been around for so long. So maybe playing him as a centre-forward with a Danny Ings, who again, Jurgen Klopp had him before and has identified him as a player that would work. And then the two inside players. This is kind of where I think Southampton may have a hole to fill in January. I think you're looking at maybe Nathan Redmond playing in one of the positions. I think Southampton will become a team that has a bit more possession than their opponents. It's going to be a lot of goals, a lot of chances created for them as well. So yeah, expect Ralph Hasenhüttl to bring a good edge to the Premier League in terms of the pressing, the style, but also the attacking play.
There are bugs in every programme. Hasenhüttl couldn't calculate for Yannick Vestergaard's cataclysmic mistake in Cardiff. That left Saints 3 points from safety and on a 14-game winless streak in all competitions. And in the wake of that defeat in South Wales, the new coach cancelled the squad's day off, a reboot in terms of fitness and belief.
It's good to see the lads really starting to believe that we can get something nice out from here, and that we got something that we're building on, something that can bring us some bright to the future. So that's a great feeling.
Arsenal seem to be feeling great themselves. Their home ground used to be referred to as the library. Far from it these days. 22 games undefeated in all competitions, the latest a midweek win in the Europa League. Yet despite the form, flair and flamboyance, Unai Emery's side are still outside the top four.
Against Southampton on Sunday, for us is prepare different match, but above all, we need create our identity stronger and our personality getting better each matches. I think like we are doing in our way.
Arsenal do have selection problems in defence, with Skodran Mustafi and Sokratis both suspended and Rob Holding out injured. A chance perhaps for Hasenhüttl's new side to begin their long road back to recovery.
Manchester City can go back on top of the table for a day and a half at least if they see off Everton. Much of Saturday is about the other end of the table, with Huddersfield Newcastle among them. Tricky away games for top four contenders Chelsea and Arsenal on Sunday, but that Liverpool-Manchester United showdown at Anfield is the big one of the weekend.
You better believe it, there are two contenders. A heavyweight title fight between Manchester and Merseyside. City displaced at the top. Chelsea's victory in the last round made Liverpool the undisputed leaders and offered hope to the three challengers from the capital. All five aim to go the distance. The contest continues. From Robin Bailey, me, Izzy Clark and the rest of the team, goodbye.
paso, pasito.